Book 2, Lesson 15. Base. Say base. Base has three meanings. A base is the lowest part of something. The base of the Washington Monument is just over 55 feet wide. A base is a place where the people in the Army, Navy, or Air Force do their work. Tom's father is training for the Air Force at a base in San Antonio, Texas. A base is one of the four corners of the inside field in baseball. A player must touch each one to score a run. After Tracy hit the ball, she raced to first base.
Now let's review word meaning. True or false? Hikers begin their climb at the base of a mountain. If you said true, you're correct. The base of a mountain is its lowest point.
Din. Say din. A din is a loud, annoying noise that continues for some time. The drills that the workers used to repair the street made such a din that we had to close the windows.
Now let's review word meaning. Choose A or B. Which of these would cause a din? A. Banging on pots and pans, or B. Playing the flute. If you said A, you are correct. Banging on pots and pans would cause a loud, annoying noise.
Discard. Say discard. To discard is to throw away or get rid of. After we finished eating our oranges, Eva discarded the peels in a trash can.
Now let's review word meaning. Choose A or B. Which of these would you probably discard after using? A. A paper cup, or B. A glass. If you said A, you are right. You would probably throw away a paper cup after using it.
Dome. Say dome. A dome is a roof in the shape of an upside-down bowl. Josie pointed out the large golden dome of the State House as we drove into the city.
Now let's review word meaning. Yes or no. Domes are pointy. If you said no, you're correct. Domes are rounded like upside-down bowls.
Gallon. Say gallon. A gallon is a measure for liquids. It equals 4 quarts. For the school May breakfast, our class made 2 gallons of orange juice.
Now let's review word meaning. Choose A or B. At the store, you might buy a gallon of A, eggs, or B, milk. If you said B, you are correct. A gallon is a measure for liquids. Milk is often sold in gallon-sized jugs.
Instrument. Say instrument. Instrument has 2 meanings. An instrument is a tool used for doing careful work. The dentist used one of the small instruments on the tray to check my new filling. An instrument is an object for making music. The instrument that Louis Armstrong played so well was the trumpet.
Now let's review word meaning. Choose A or B. Which of these is an instrument? A guitar, or B, a baseball bat? If you said A, you're right. A guitar is used to make music.
Luxury. Say luxury. A luxury is something that gives pleasure but is not really needed. It often costs a lot of money. Dad and I had the luxury of front row seats at the basketball finals.
Now let's review word meaning. True or false? Breathing air is a luxury. If you said false, you're correct. People need to breathe air in order to survive.
Mallet. Say mallet. A mallet is a hammer with a large head. It is made of wood or hard rubber so that it does not scratch what it hits. Using two wooden mallets, Kai played a simple tune on the xylophone.
Now let's review word meaning. Yes or no? You might use a mallet to drive a tent post into the ground. If you said yes, you're right. Mallets are hammers with large heads.
Skill. Say skill. Skill is being able to do something well after study or training. Reba showed great skill on the balance beam during our practice.
Now let's review word meaning. True or false? Sleeping takes a lot of skill. If you said false, you're right. You don't have to train to learn how to sleep.
Slight. Say slight. Slight means small in amount or importance. The pilot announced that there would be a slight delay in our landing because of the strong winds.
Now let's review word meaning. Yes or no? When there is a slight chance of rain, it probably won't rain. If you said yes, you're correct. If there's only a small chance of rain, you'll probably stay dry.